Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, in today's video we have the new September budget box. Now I must say we have some good goodies this time. Yes, I did pre-open this box because I did want to do a shorts for YouTube and for my TikTok. If you want to follow my TikTok, you can go to Jules MUA, the same as YouTube. With that being said, I also do have a few things that I'm not fond of, but please stay tuned to see that. So for today's budget box, it comes in this small packaging. When it came in this small packaging, I was like, I wonder what we're getting for this budget box of this month. Because to be honest, I didn't expect it to come so quickly as it did, because the last one just came last week. This month's budget box, I will start with the lip. The P.Louise lip drip came in this carton right here. As you know, P.Louise boxes are cute, and we have two shades that we got in this budget box. Now for the two shades, I got Orange Soda and I also got Flaming Fancy. Let me swatch that for you guys. Swatching Orange Soda, and that's it right there. And I'm also gonna put it on my lips. This color is right up my alley. I love orange undertones, and it does have a thick consistency, but does not stick to the lip either. This lip gloss, I'll definitely have to go in with a lip liner. I'll do that for you guys to see. Lip liner, I'm going to take my P.Louise retractable liner, and this one is in the shade Loyal. And now you can see the P.Louise lip drip with a lip liner and how it looks on a dark melanin skin. The next lip drip that I'm going to take is Flamingo Fancy. As I said, this formula is very thick. I wish it had the other doe foot applicator though, because it's bigger so you get more on your lips one time. But let me put on some lip liner with that. Going back in with the retractable liner in Loyal. Or you can definitely take a lip liner that has a pinky or purpley undertone to make this a lovely nude combo. It's cute, and you do get a lot of color payoff. That's one thing I must say with one swipe. Just building it up so you guys can see. This is the second coat. Yeah, that's pretty. That I did get in the budget box was this P.Louise lip liner. Now this lip liner is too light for my complexion, but just swatching it for you guys to see right there. You guys, this is the remnants of the other stuff that came, so you will know the next thing that's coming does stain. But this lip liner I'll be giving away to my aunt. The next thing that I did receive in this budget box is the wet set from P.Louise. Now this is the packaging of the wet set, and I did receive 4 in total. I'm not quite sure how many there are in total, but I did receive 4 of them. So these are the 4. And I'm gonna swatch them for you guys, and I'll give you my thoughts on these products. Going in with the first one. This one is called Mango Mistress. And right off the bat, you can see it is very liquidy. Now, once again, this is a wet set. I do love the color, that I must say. So I'm going to swatch the rest before I give you guys my final thoughts on what I think about these. Or if you already know my thoughts on this, please do comment down below. Next one that I'm going to take is Orange Opinion. Ooh. Yeah, hopefully you guys have my complete thoughts down below. That's that. And the next one I'm gonna take is Forest Feel. And the last but not least is Teal Talk. So you guys can see a complete swatch. Right off the bat, these are too runny. Now I do know that these are a wet set collection, but I do prefer her previous packaging and also her previous formula. I don't know who told her to go and change it up, but these are the previous wet set collection. These ones, I'm not sure if you guys have seen it before or if it's your first time seeing it, but I did fall in love with these comparing it to this, especially in this packaging. Now, I do remember in a couple videos, or probably almost a year ago, I complained about oil oozing out of these first and then seeing the product itself. So for a liquid product, I'm confused why she decided to put it in this package, because you can see how messy this is already. Let me swatch two of her old one in the packaging and you can see how thick it is. You can see that it is not running at all right off the bat. Swatching it, and I prefer this formula 10 times better. I'm going to swatch one more so you guys can see the consistency of it. Once again, this is the packaging that I wish these came in. Why would you put liquid in here? Why not this? You see the consistency? This is thinner in consistency, but it's not as runny as that. So I still do prefer this company. Then we swatch another one of the old one because she has 4 in this one. And this one is a thicker consistency, as you can see. And you can even hear the liquid in it, which is bizarre. Okay. In today's video, I'll definitely be demonstrating one of them. Just doing a quick look to show you guys. But I must say, the next thing that I'm going to show you is my ultimate favorite when it comes to packaging, when it comes to creativity, when it comes to awesomeness. Right here we have, and this is a Half of My Heart Belongs to You palette. Are you guys ready to see this awesomeness? Like, I think I need to shift over for you guys to see this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at that. It has a mirror that has lights on it. Look at that duo. Oh my gosh. Let me swatch it because I have not swatched it yet, but let me swatch it. I am super excited for this part of the video. Just as I expected, super buttery. Look at the pigment. Let me swatch the shimmer that's right beside it. Ooh, look how reflective that is, please. Look how reflective that is. Let me swatch it. Let me swatch it. Look how easy that was. Oh my days. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm just gonna swatch the rest since it's not a lot. So going in, that one, the two that I just swatched was right arm. The next one is BFF. So going in with this one. Look at that, oh my goodness. I don't know, I'm just falling in love with shimmer lately. Wow. The next one that I'm gonna take is together, like legit together. Like, look at the shimmer. Oh my days. Oh my days. Like, look at that shimmer. These are all the swatches. Now, this wet and set can be worn on its own, or you can put shimmer on top and with a smoky eye. I'm just gonna do one look. But look at that. Okay, so at least we know it's not super liquidy right through, even though I'm wasting a lot of product right now. But it's just for you guys to see what it is. At least we know that's not the complete formula. Let me try another one. I know I'm wasting products, but I just want to see the consistency right. Okay, so it does come out super thick eventually. It does come out super thick eventually. It just starts off very liquidy, so eventually when all the liquid or the oils come through, it is a thick consistency like the current bases, which is good. So that now gives me high hopes for these wet sets. So as you can see, I've completely changed my mind now that these have, just showing you another one, wasting product, but just for you guys to see. So it does come off very liquidy in the beginning, but look at the consistency once you've oozed out all the wetness or the oils that comes through first. I'll give this a 5 out of 5 because I really love the current bases right now. I have this on as a blush. It is more pigmented than this, but I've toned it down with using my setting powder. And so I think I'm going to use this as my base today, and I'm going in with the orange one. And the orange one, once again, that I'm going in, it's called Orange Opinion. Now I'm just going to pat this on the lid. I'm just using this as a base. As we know already, P.Louise eyeshadows are very pigmented, so really and truly it doesn't need much help. But I'm just using it for the purpose of this video. And the consistency is really good. Like, it does remind me of the base if you do own the base. Does it remind me of the other wet sets? In other words, I do feel like I prefer this formula now that I've seen the true results, which I'm now happy about that she has improved on. And as you can see, I'm just working this upwards now that it's 80% dried. That's cute. Taking the shade Right Arm, I'm just gonna darken the edges. As you can see, this does work nicely on top. Mixing a BFF with Together, these two shades right here. For shimmer, I'm gonna take this lovely shade right here. They work amazingly on its own. You don't need anything extra. and just have this as a topper. This just gives it a little bit of oomph. Yeah, so I'm back, and this is basically the look completed, but I wanted to show you guys how the lip drip looks over a matte lip or a demi matte lip. By the way, I did go in with the P.Louise lip liner in Loyal, and then I went in with the Vive lipstick in Power Suit, which looks like this orangey tone, because I wanted something that matched the eyes. And then I think I'm gonna go in with, I'll just swatch the both of them again. This is Flamingo Fancy, which I think was a pink. Not going in with that one. I'm gonna go in with this one. I forgot to show you guys the swatches side by side. So this is the two of them. So I'm definitely gonna go in with orange soda on top to make it super glossy, as well as it has pigment. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty. It's gorgeous. I found a new lip combo, especially this is giving fall vibes. I'm loving this. Like, I'm loving this. So this is the completed look, guys, using the new P.Louise budget box. I hope you guys did love this video and this budget box. Like, out of everything, you guys do know that this palette is my ultimate favorite.